Keeping a journal is crucial to your recovery. Without a journal, you won't be able to track your progress or observe your patterns. That's why we'll give you a journal template that you can use. And remember, the template is not written in stone. We expect you to write any insights or any other observations you might have in your journal. But we are providing a rough guideline for you to use, because we have found that many people, when we ask them to journal, they don't know what to write. So we have created a template based on the lessons in the no-porn plan. This will give you a very clear idea what to write each time you attempt to write in your journal. And this template will update as you go through the course. Right now you will be given a template only composed of 2 prompts, but at the end of the course you'll be given a template that will have numerous prompts. Today's template, you'll be asked to journal a gratitude and an achievement list. We have found that journaling things you're grateful for and journaling things you have achieved in a given day helps alleviate feelings of depression and helplessness that are tied to porn addiction. You'll also start journaling your triggers. Prompts are written in your journal page, but essentially you'll write when you had the urge to watch porn, how you were triggered, and when you relapsed. By journaling it like that every day, you will soon observe patterns of behavior that you'll be able to rectify. For example, journaling helped me observe that I was the most prone to relapsing in the morning. Virtually every time I relapsed was in the morning, never at any other time. So I essentially blocked complete internet access in the hours between 7 a.m. and 12 p.m. This allowed me to stay off porn for a very long amount of time, for a very long period of time. And similarly, once you'll start journaling, you'll find similar patterns in your behavior. You might find that you're most prone to relapsing at night, and then you'll essentially use the power block technique that we taught you to block internet at night. Similarly, you might find that browsing Facebook has a tendency of triggering you. If that's the case, you might use cold turkey to block Facebook. Through journaling, you'll find numerous patterns such as those, and they'll help you get over your porn addiction over the long term.